Hello teacher, my name is Ingrid Catherine Vargas. I am from Florencia, Caquetá. I am 20 years old. I study and housewife. I live in the sanctuary station. This station is very quiet and you can enjoy a lot of natural resources. In addition, the people are very empathetic and friendly and environment very clean. I have two hobbies which I enjoy a lot. The first is that I love going to see the sunsets that the sky paints in the San Pedro River, and one on the other hand I like to treat different folk with my family. I am good person, but like anyone, I have negative or positive qualities. I am very organized in my things. I consider myself very punctual and I always like to help others. But on the other hand, I am very spiteful. My daily routine. I get I get up 8 o'clock. I kiss my baby. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. 9:35 a.m. I prepare breakfast. I pick up my baby. I organize it, and at 12 I prepare a lunch. Then my baby plays with her toy. At 2 o'clock she goes to bed, and I start to study. Then at 6, in the afternoon, we organize the house in general, and at night we watch movie with Emily, and we organize ourselves to sleep. Okay, the most important person in my life is my daughter. Her name is Emily Oyola. She is 17 months old. My baby occupation is to play a large, to do knitings. She has brown skin. Her eyes are light brown, and her hair is straight, and she is very happy. And my daughter loves to share with others, but she is very bad-tempered. And I felt so happy the day my parents got married, and my goals, my family came to the celebration. The day my mom told me that my father had passes all, I felt so destroyed, something invaded, and my unused wanted to die. And after graduating, I hope to be a great teacher in the area of English and training children in a didactic with the second language. I hope to be living in the countryside and one most in there to be able of the after to the best to do my daughter. On the other part, I don't see my first married. Thank you, teacher. Goodbye.